Good afternoon, everyone. Mayor Colberg here, and today I'm with Fire Chief Bruce Wade and Justin Lamoureux, owner of the Canadian Tire, and we're here to talk about the 72-hour kits. So, Chief, could you please tell us exactly what the importance of a 72-hour family kit is for?
It's really important for families and individuals to be able to self-sustain for 72 hours in the event of an emergency, so that in the event the fire or emergency services cannot get to you, you have the ability to look after yourself. On the Drumheller webpage, there's Drumheller Alert. There is a checklist there of all the items that you should pack for your emergency kit and have it readily available so that in the event you need it, you can grab it quickly and take it with you.
So let's talk about some of the things that need to go into this kit. So what do we have here, Chief?
You've got a flashlight, which is really important. Huggies for kids, families. Lighter, in case you need to start a fire for cooking.
What do we have here?
Water purification, in case the water system doesn't work. A whistle for alerting people. An emergency blanket, and a charger for your cell phone in the event that it goes beyond 72 hours.
And that's a really important one because you always need those. Okay, what else we got?
We've got packaged food that you can keep in your kit. Batteries, of course, for flashlights, that type of thing.
What do we have over with you, Justin?
Another really important item is a knife and can opener so that you can open those cans of preserves at home. First aid kit, of course, is a very essential piece, along with any prescription drugs or special personal items you may need. Of course, toys for kids, keep them entertained while they're self-sustaining. Dog food, of course.
Let's not forget the pets.
Gotta look after the pets, yes, definitely. Sleeping bag and sleeping equipment for the entire family, so that they're all covered.
Water, of course.
Water, at least 4 liters per person per day, and garbage bags.
And then the most important is your documents. We've got to make sure you have all your important documents together.
So if you want to check any more items off, it's Drumheller Alert. You can look it up there, or the Emergency Preparedness Alberta. There's a website there.
So I guess, Justin, there's all this stuff here. Can it all be found within the store?
Everything we've just packed into this bag you can find here at Canadian Tire, and we've merchandised a lot of the stuff in key spots so you can find it really easy and build your own kit.
Wonderful. So I guess we just need to remember that flood protection begins at home, and do your part to stay safe this flood season, and come to Canadian Tire. They have everything that we need to make sure you stay safe. So thank you both for being here. Thank you for helping us. Please take care of yourself and stay safe out there.